So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to increase indent level here in the Pages application. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Pages document. Once that is done, here's the default indent. So if I were to type in the word indent right here and then go down below, type in indent right here, the indent is just from left to right, so the very start. But if you want to maybe increase the indent size, simply just press right before what you want to indent. Go to the right hand side of your screen to where it says spacing right here. Right above that, there's an option right here. If you hover over top of it, it says increase the indent level of the selected text. If you were to go ahead and press on that once, the indent now is just a normal indent. So if I were to go right below it, the indent starts right here for your new sentence. Now, if you want to make the indent even larger, press right before it, do the exact same thing, indent right here. Now the indent starts here. So if you were to go right below that, the indent starts here, etc., etc. Now, if you want to maybe go back a little bit, just press on back. Now the indent goes back to normal, back to what it was before. If you were to go back one more time, it defaults back to its original setting. So there you go. I spelled indent wrong, but super simple, super straightforward. That is how to increase or decrease the indent space here on a Pages document. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.